If you're wondering how to use Monday.com for task prioritization, you're in the right place. Whether you're managing a team or handling your own workflow, Monday.com offers some useful features, but is it the best fit for task prioritization? Stick around till the end because I'll walk you through how it works and also reveal an alternative that could actually serve your needs better. Monday.com lets you create tasks and organize them into boards, but let's start with the basics. The first thing you'll want to do is create a new board for your tasks. On Monday, boards are essentially containers for everything: tasks, due dates, priorities, and more. You can customize these boards with columns that track status, owners, deadlines, and priorities. Next thing, to prioritize tasks within Monday.com, you'll use something called columns. The default setup includes a status column where you can tag tasks as not started, in progress, or completed. However, for prioritization, you'll want to add a priority column. This allows you to categorize your tasks as high, medium, or low priority. But here's the issue: it's not the most intuitive system, and if you're managing a lot of tasks, the priority tagging can get lost in the shuffle. The fourth thing you'll want to do is use Monday.com's automations to keep track of your task priorities. Automations help you manage your workflow by sending notifications or moving tasks around based on conditions you set, like deadlines or status changes. For example, you can automate it to send a reminder for high priority tasks that are overdue. It sounds great, but let's be honest, these automations can sometimes get a little overwhelming and might not always work as expected without a bit of setup. The fifth thing to consider is how you're viewing your tasks. Monday.com offers several views like Kanban, Gantt charts, and calendar views. The Kanban view is helpful for task prioritization because you can drag and drop tasks into different priority columns. It's visually appealing, but it's not always as smooth as it should be, especially if you're managing hundreds of tasks. The calendar and Gantt views, on the other hand, help you visualize deadlines but don't do as much for prioritization. So, is Monday.com the best for task prioritization? It has its merits, but it's not the most specialized tool out there. While it does offer flexibility, it may require a lot of manual effort to keep track of priorities as your tasks grow. Next thing, there are alternatives that focus more on task prioritization without all the fluff. For instance, a tool like ClickUp offers more robust prioritization features out of the box. With ClickUp, you can assign custom priorities, integrate them directly into your workflow, and even use advanced filters to ensure you're focusing on what matters most. Now, I want to make sure you don't miss out on the best deal. If you're still considering Monday.com for task prioritization, be sure to check out the link in the description. We've got an exclusive, extended free trial just for you. But we also have other tools on the list that might just be a better fit for your goals, and those come with free trials as well. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. So don't wait. Make sure you click that link to get started on the right track.